Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Pendleton County in eastern West Virginia, southeastern Grant County in eastern West Virginia, southwestern Hardy County in eastern West Virginia, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rough Run, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Rough Run, Millam, Lens, Break and Brushy Run. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains